Phoenix, I'm 9. Today we're going to be making the famous 100 cookie recipe. It's only 4 ingredients and really easy to make. You can freeze it, half it, or add flavorings of your choice such as sprinkles, nuts, or white chocolate chips. You'll need 500 grams of butter, 3/4 of a cup of caster sugar. I'm using white sugar, so it'll take me longer to cream on the first step. 1 395 gram can of sweetened condensed milk, and 5 cups of self-raising flour. For the flavorings, I'm adding M&Ms and chocolate chips. You'll need an electric mixer, or you can do it by hand, some measuring cups, some baking trays, greaseproof paper, and a pastry brush, a large glass mixing bowl, and a sifter. Before you start, turn your oven on to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to cream the butter and the sugar together. The butter needs to be room temperature. Because I'm using white sugar, it's going to take a little bit longer for the sugar to dissolve. Once it's the color of cream and the sugar has dissolved, you're pretty much done. I'm gonna pour the sweetened condensed milk in. And blend it. I'm gonna sift about a cup of flour in at a time. And then I'm gonna beat it. Near the end, the dough might be a bit tough for the beater, so you might want to use a spatula or a spoon. At this point, you might want to split it into half or quarters. This makes it easier to add flavorings such as M&Ms. At this point, you can also freeze it for later. I have 1/4 of the dough in each bowl. Now I'm just going to add a bit of M&Ms and chocolate chips. Gonna mix it. Just gonna make some small balls and put it on a tray. Make sure they're spaced apart and roughly the same size so that they cook at the same time. Just gonna flatten them a little bit and then put them in the oven for 10 minutes. Now they're all cooked. I only used half of the dough and I got 46 cookies. Now for the taste test. Aspergers. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I'd also appreciate it if you could share it with friends and family.